Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and we recently got a question about should I level my crawl space floor before I encapsulate the crawl space, so stay tuned. Okay, so before I get into it, again, we got this great guide that we're giving away, and it's about the 3 asthma triggers that most homes have and what you can do about it. So make sure you check out the link below for that. But we get that question a lot. We even have people ask us, hey, are you gonna level out the crawl space before you encapsulate? Well, no, I'm not gonna level out the crawl space floor, and here's why. Did you know that if you go in there and start digging around and leveling out dirt and taking this low side and moving it to the high side or vice versa, that we've actually heard of homeowners that have done that, and they have caused water intrusion problems because that hard packed soil, they loosened it all up, and now they got water intrusion problems because of their grading issues that they created inside the crawl space. So if you are not having water intrusion problems and there's no reason to level it out, don't level it out. Just put the vapor barrier down, and if you have to dig a trench and put in a sump pump, do all that sort of stuff. But we just don't see any benefit to leveling out the floor unless you're just trying to create a level storage area. But is creating a level storage area in the crawl space with the potential of causing water intrusion a good idea? So we don't recommend that you try to level out the floor. Anyway, that was a great question, and I've struggled with that for years because to me, it makes logical sense to try to level the floor out so that everything is level, but you could be causing some major issues with water intrusion if you do something like that. So my name is Michael Church. I hope that helps, and we appreciate you watching these videos. Please like the video down below, and don't forget to subscribe to that free guide that we're giving away about the 3 asthma triggers that you can avoid inside your house. And we appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.